As flooding continues to wreak havoc in various areas, power transmission lines and infrastructure are also facing the risk of damage. The National Grid Corporation of the Philippines has raised concerns and provided updates on their preparations amidst these challenges. Harley Valbuena reports.
Power transmission facilities are also not spared from the possibility of incurring damages due to frequent heavy floodings. This was confirmed by National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, or NGCP, amid rampant flooding incidents in many areas due to unfinished or ghost flood control projects.
Generally, meron talaga yan, no? And usually it's erosion. Could also be a factor pag na-weaken ang foundation.
Hence, NGCP supports President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s push to realign to the energy sector a part of 270 billion pesos allocation for flood control projects next year.
It's always heartening to know that there's importance given to the energy sector because that is foundational to support a growing economy.
NGCP has also done preparations for Tropical Cyclone Mirasol, which is expected to hit northern Luzon. According to the power grid operator, power transmission towers have already been upgraded, and it is designed to withstand wind strength of up to 300 kilometers per hour.
NGCP does a study, no? Yung napag-aralan ng NGCP na dyan most likely tatama or maglalanding yung malalakas na bagyo, na-upgrade na yon to 300 kP.
Currently, all transmission lines of NGCP are operating normally. Meanwhile, NGCP announced an increase in overall transmission rates for the month of August. The overall equivalent average transmission rate rose to 1 pesos and 47 centavos per kilowatt hour from 1 pesos and 32 centavos per kilowatt hour last July.
Such increase is mainly driven by the ancillary services rates, while NGCP's transmission rates, on the other hand, has just an insignificant increase of less than 1 centavo per kilowatt hour.
The August transmission rates will be reflected in the September electricity bill, and a household consuming 200 kilowatt hour per month will incur 283 pesos and 42 centavos transmission rate in their bill. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.